Being a student today is very different from what it used to be. With the right online tools, you can study faster, stay more organized, improve your writing, and save hours of work every single week. So in this video, I'll show you 5 powerful online tools every student must know, and the best part is, most of them are completely free. Let's get started. The first tool on the list is Google Keep. If you struggle with staying organized or remembering tasks, Google Keep is your best friend. It allows you to create quick notes, checklists, reminders, and color-coded labels. You can sync it across all your devices and even record voice notes. Whether you're planning assignments, tracking school schedules, or jotting down ideas, Google Keep makes sure nothing gets lost. Next is Quillbot, a must-have writing assistant. If you're writing essays, reports, or research papers, Quillbot helps you paraphrase sentences, improve clarity, and avoid repeating the same words. Its grammar checker and summarizer also help you polish your writing quickly. Just paste your text, choose a tone, and let Quillbot rewrite it in a cleaner and more academic style. It's like having a personal editor available anytime. The third tool every student should know is Wolfram Alpha. Think of it as a super-powered calculator that can solve math equations, analyze data, explain concepts, and even help with chemistry and physics problems. If you're stuck on algebra, calculus, statistics, or science homework, Wolfram Alpha will show you detailed step-by-step solutions. It's especially useful for students in engineering, science, and mathematics. Moving on to the fourth tool, Canva. If you need to make a presentation, poster, infographic, or school project that looks clean and professional, Canva is the perfect solution. It provides thousands of templates that you can customize with drag-and-drop simplicity. You don't need design skills, just pick a layout, add your text, and export your design. It's a great way to impress your teachers and create visually appealing schoolwork. And finally, tool number 5 is Khan Academy. This is one of the best free learning platforms available today. It offers high-quality video lessons on math, science, history, economics, grammar, and so much more. Each lesson is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly, with practice exercises to help you track your progress. Whether you're preparing for exams, reviewing difficult topics, or learning something new, Khan Academy gives you access to world-class education for free. So there you have it. Google Keep for organizing your life, Quillbot for improving your writing, Wolfram Alpha for solving problems, Canva for creating amazing designs, and Khan Academy for learning any subject at your own pace. Start using these tools today, and you'll study smarter, work faster, and achieve better results with less effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more study tips and productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.